Hello everybody. This video will show you how to install R and how to install RStudio. At the end of the video, I will also show you how you can update R and RStudio when you need a new version. R and RStudio are two different programs. R is doing the statistical workload, while RStudio is a graphical user interface that makes it very easy to work with R. Technically, you could work with R alone, but it is not recommended because it's so much easier to work with a combination of R and RStudio. Since we have two programs, the question arises, which program should we install first? It is very important that you install R first. You go in a browser to cran.rproject.org, and here you find the links for the download for Linux, Mac OS, and for Windows. We download the Windows version, and it is usually fine to install the base version. So click on Base, download R for Windows. Wait until the download is completed. Afterward, you open your download folder and execute the downloaded R file. Confirm all the pop-up windows. And as you can see, R will be installed. Click Finish, and you're done. Next, you need to install and download RStudio. Go to posit.co, careful, it's co and not com. And here you click on Download RStudio. If you scroll down, that gets you to these two links. We have installed R already, so we download now RStudio for desktop for Windows. Wait until it is fully downloaded. And when it is done, go to your download folder and execute the downloaded file. Again, confirm all the pop-ups, and RStudio gets installed. Now you click Finish, and you're done. We want to see if it worked. So we open RStudio and make sure that you really open RStudio and not R. We want to use the 64-bit version. And now you can test it. In the console, type 1 + 1, enter, and it equals to 2. It worked. The last part of this video will show you how to update RStudio and R when newer versions are available. Even if you installed R and RStudio the first time, you might want to watch this section because eventually you have to update. If you want to update R, you follow the same process as it was shown here in the video. RStudio will automatically use your new version, and when everything works, you can uninstall the old version. If RStudio for whatever reason doesn't use your new version, you can go to Tools, Global Options, General, and here, when you say Change, you can pick the R version you want to use. How do you install a new version of RStudio? That is extremely simple. You go to Tools, check for package updates, and if a new version is available, you can install it from here. I hope this helps you to start with RStudio, and I'm looking forward to see you in my next video. Happy analytics!